You're watching how to turn off phone number sharing on an Android phone. This setting is often found within Google services. Open the Settings app on your Android device, scroll down and tap on Google or Google Services and Preferences. Then select Manage your Google account. This will open your Google account dashboard. Tap the Data and Privacy tab at the top. Scroll down to the section labeled Things you've created and done. Find and tap on My Activity. In the My Activity page, tap the three-dot menu in the top right and select Activity Controls. Look for Include Chrome History and Activity from sites, apps, and devices that use Google services, but also find the setting for audio and video activity or web and app activity. The specific setting for your phone number is under Voice and Audio Activity or Phone Number Sharing. You may need to look for an option that says Use your phone number to personalize your experience on Google services. Toggle this off. Additionally, go back to your main Android settings and tap Apps, then select the specific apps you use for messaging or social media, like WhatsApp or Facebook. Go into each app's permissions and ensure contacts permission is denied if you don't want to share your number through that app. Also, check your carrier's app settings for any number sharing options. Disabling these prevents your number from being used for personalized ads and suggestions across Google services. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.